Hey guys, welcome to Lala's Lounge, and today I'm going to be talking to you all about this crochet style that I'm going to do. Well, not going to be talking to you all as much. I'm going to be showing you all what I'm going to do to create basically a half up, half down crochet with this hair I got from X-Pressions brand. It is the African collection. Um, it is the Jerry Curl 14 inch in the color 1 beat. They are pre-looped, and there are 3 bundles in this pack. So I'm going to be using this hair to do this look. Okay, so I'm going to basically be showing you guys how I crochet. I'm going to braid my hair off camera just because it's probably going to take me a while just to get it all braided down. And I'll be leaving out this top part up here and braiding this in a little something something, and the rest will be basically crochet. So the braid pattern is probably going to be a little bit different than what you're used to seeing. So I'm going to braid my hair off camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I basically install all the hair. Okay, I'm back. This is how I braided my hair. Two white braids on the side, and then straight backs in the back. 2 white braids on this side connected to the back. I'm going to sew this part of my hair up really quick, and this is the front. I'm going to leave this part out, and I'm going to do something to the ends of this here because this part will not have crochets in it, only the sides and the back. Okay, so here's the hair. This is, again, the Jerry Curl. I can tell that this hair is going to be probably problematic already because coming out the pack, it's already shedding and it's already separating. But I really don't care. Maybe it'll look better once it's kind of fluffy anyway. I sewn down my hair in like a bun. I put it in 1 braid coming down, and I just wrapped it around and sewed the bun down to my scalp. So I'm going to turn around so you can see how I put it in from the back. I do not start at the very, very bottom of my hair just because you don't want it to be so full at the very bottom. So, let's see. Alright, we started about up here. Okay, so this is how it looks now that I'm done. I did crochet some hair to my bun just to put on around the outside of it so I can like wrap the curly hair around the outside. And I'll probably play more around with this because this is not secure at all. I literally, there's no bobby pins, no rubber bands or nothing around it. I just kind of wrapped it and tucked it. But this is the final look. And this is the back. That's about how long it goes in the back. It is very bouncy, flowy. Okay. So this is how it looks, guys. Tell me what y'all think in the comment section below. And let me know if you would try this hair. Again, it's the X-Pression brand, the African collection. This is how the packaging looks in case you're looking for it when you go to the store and want to try it. I probably would buy this hair again just based off what is occurring right now, just because it is like super bouncy. It's super light, even though it's really full. It's very light and it's not heavy, even though I did say that it was shedding. This is about as much hair it has shedded from the 3.5, well, 4 bundles I had 2 packs, so I have a whole bundle left. Well, 2 whole bundles left in the second pack. So I mean, I feel like it's okay. We'll see how it works once I like wear it a while and do different things and sleep and work out and all that. I'll let you guys know what I think about this hair when I'm taking it down probably, and see how it looks then. But as of right now, other than me having to go back and like, you know, tighten this up and fix this, I think it looks pretty good. I mean, you know, yeah, like I said, I'll probably do some more with that. But if anything, I wish it didn't shed as much when I first took it out the pack. But it's synthetic hair. It's gonna shed. It's not human hair. Human hair will shed. So I figured this would shed a little bit, but I feel like it's gonna be super convenient for me, and I like it. I really like it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment in the comment section at the bottom. And if you have any other hair you think I should try or style you think I should do, you know, hit me up. Let me know what y'all think. Okay. All right. Bye.